In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select tasks on ClickUp. Quick guide. Let's start on the overview page of your workspace inside a team space. From here, switch to the list view. List view is the best place to create and manage multiple tasks because it lays everything out in a clean, column-based table that's perfect for bulk actions. Before we select anything, let's add a few tasks so we have something to work with. Click Add Task, type a clear task name, and click Save. Repeat that a couple of times to create a small list. Short, action-oriented names make bulk updates easier to scan and organize later. Now, look for the grouping control and set it to Group by Status. Grouping by status helps you see what's in To Do, In Progress, or Done at a glance, and it makes bulk changes more intuitive. Next, open the three-dot menu in your list toolbar to reveal more options. This is where bulk actions live. Choose Select All to highlight every task currently visible in your list. You'll notice a bulk toolbar appear, confirming you're editing everything at once. With all tasks selected, click Status, then choose To Do. Instantly, every selected task is updated. This is a huge time saver when you're preparing a new sprint or resetting a backlog. You can bulk edit assignees the same way. Click Assignees, pick the relevant people, and those users will be added to all selected tasks. If you need to clear ownership, use the Unassign option to remove assignees across the board. Great for rebalancing workload. If you want identical copies, choose Duplicate to create duplicates of the selected tasks. This is helpful for recurring checklists or templated workflows you run every week. For even more bulk options, click More to open the extended menu. From here, choose Priority and set it to Urgent when something needs immediate attention. Consistent prioritization across many tasks keeps your team aligned on what matters most. If needed, you can confirm or reapply the to-do status from the same bulk toolbar to ensure everything is in the correct column. Keeping status consistent is key to accurate reporting and clean boards. And that's it. Selecting tasks all at once is a serious time saver. You don't need to edit each task one by one. Using these bulk controls streamlines your workflow and reduces clicks, especially when you're managing large lists. Follow these steps whenever you spin up new work or tidy existing lists, and you'll keep your projects organized in a fraction of the time. If you found this ClickUp guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tutorials that make you more efficient.